So we are standing on Eros Sampoornam 1 on the main entrance. This project is managed by Quest Global, that's an Indian multinational company, and that's the largest employer of the country too. So this project has been managed by Quest Global, and this is the main entrance, 100-meter wide main entrance, and today we are going to show the under construction segment. So it has two parts. The property is divided into two parts. Half of the portion is delivered and half of the portion is under construction. And this is the main entrance. It has got 4 entry exit points with the green belts on both the sides, or two sides. So this is all the green belt area, and this is the main entry point. So as we get into the campus, so we can easily distinguish between the under construction and the ready to move in segment. So this segment is on your left, which is ready to move, and on your right, this is the under construction segment. So now we have entered the premises and we are on the under construction site. And if we talk about the configuration of this particular area, so this is being developed in 12.5 acres, and approximately 1330 apartments are being constructed, which is very less in numbers and almost half the density which is being approved by Greater Noida West Authority. So the FAR which is consumed over here is 2.75, which is the maximum, and the floor sizes are 14 story. So this is a purely mid-rise segment, 14 storied apartments with 4 apartments on each floor. So this is the main USP of the property. So construction is going on in full swing. So the developer has opened only 4 towers for sale, but the construction is happening in all the 10 towers. So overall they are going to construct 10 towers, and the delivery date is December 2022, which is claimed by the developer, and the RERA registration is being done by December 2023. So in RERA they have given the dates December 2023. So this particular section is the ready to move in segment, which is developed in 12.5 acres, and rest 12.5 acres is under construction. So this is the current status of the property. And the best part of this property is this is a 4-side open property, surrounded by roads from all the 4 sides. 2 highways are passing, connectivity with Central Noida, Zivar Airport, Pari Chowk. I'll try to give you a feeler of the ready to move in segment also. So this is the property look likes. So this is the most lush green campus in the entire Noida extension as on date. So now we have brought you into the center of the property. So we are standing in the center of the property, which gives you a fair idea what all sort of greenery, landscaping work, amenities being provided by the developer inside the campus, which are already operational. So these are the 2 segments, phase 1, phase 2, and both the phases are having different amenities. And this is looking quite greener project in all the projects which we have seen in Noida extension area. So this is the Central Park area, Buddha Park. This is the lawn tennis court over here. You can see the lawn tennis court over here. And the kids play area, skating rink, basketball, badminton courts. So these all amenities are already operational. This is a dancing floor, rain dancing floor. So this is the next and the other green area, which is being provided in to the other phase. This is phase 1. So both the phases are having different amenity area, common green area, multi-purpose playgrounds. This project seems to be very well ventilated, and you can find sunlight in each and every apartment, because the towers are sharing only 4 to 6 apartments on each floor. The core plate plan is 4 to 6 apartments each floor, and the building rise is also 15, 17 and 19 story. It's a mixed sort of elevation. So if you talk about the parking park, they have the open parking slots which are reserved against the flat numbers. They have a basement parking too. So this covers the entire property, and this is the grocery stores. This is a temporary setup of the grocery store, so you will find each and every thing for daily need purpose into this particular container. And this is the exit gate. So that's all for this particular video which we have shot in Eros Sampoornam 1. This is the ready to move in segment. On our right, this is the under construction segment, which is coming up in next 2 years. Thank you.